akasai ene Ghana National Association of Teachers nate National Association of Graduate Teachers nagrati fosu wom afa coalition of concerned teachers CCT fo nyina won makabomu a wom se abaye kwaku aban kwame abaye ma wotumetum abosome mako enkron sem enanu ada ye pension sika bia wodo nsa akokeka ya chese ye bu akonta no a bese 400 million Ghana cedis yesre wada bomode a mana moto fa sika beto ye papa nam sese de sika na si akere no ya hweye pa ne amo abane to ja hweye na chese akwakwashim na ensem ya kanifo a wom de da chechefo enka bomukoya no ana ne due wom ye emputupuru hyamude e wonkran enhyamu na wie ye no ana wotometum nsami wom edefans antwerefo eso.
I'm deeply honored, humbled to have been chosen to lead our gallant NDC minority caucus in Ghana's parliament. I wish to use this opportunity again to thank the leadership of our great NDC party who have placed their trust, confidence in me. I'm also deeply grateful to our colleagues, the rank and file of our great party, the NDC, and the people of Ghana. Their profound
Eti achachafo ankabo mukwa kanifo bi mu ada wonu mano anate wonu monkana na president Zadema National Association of Graduate Teachers owura Angel Kabonum afesukra coalition of concerned teachers owura Ken Ali Audu ene ya wonu so edin sem say anase wonu mo so din sem say etu edwam
pension. Yes, you see, every month the government of Ghana makes deductions from every public sector worker and sends that deduction for the tier 2 pension trustees to invest the money for the future of the worker.
Right.
Unfortunately, for the past 9 months, the government of Ghana is owing that payment, monies that the government is already deducted from the salary of the worker. Government is failed to transfer that money to the trustees for investment. What it means is that for that 9 months that government is in arrears, the worker is not getting value on the monies that have been deducted from his or her salary. So that's what we are calling on the government: quickly pay the arrears of that money so that the various trusts can invest the money, so that when the worker retires, the worker will retire with some level of dignity. Our first step is that we'll ask the Ghana Education Service Occupation Pension Scheme to cease the payment of fees to the NPRA as the first. We will advise ourselves as to further steps.
Enonti akanifu a womoda chachafo ankabo muko bi mo ano nate se womode nsama to dwai ene National Association of Graduate Teachers owura Angel Kabono afei coalition of concerned teachers owura Ken Ali Audu womosisa de anuamasi kro no bosome no woto betum ne som na 400 million Ghana cedis kwame aban wamfa mato ba bia wo fa no a womankasa betu omhofom sa sika no a bosome bia womotua kakrakra ediko pension scheme no enya de se won betua biem na ade yampa mochoni ansanko yachi yedi nka ne atomo anim se akanefo ne bi ebrenhye mode no kɔso ɛwɔ nkran no wɔmane santwerɛfo kasa na ene no ɛdane ntie konkotie ensɛm a enhyemude no kyere no wɔmade to santwerɛfo anim.
Government has taken the 5% of our salary, our gross salary, and for 9 months, government of Ghana, or let me say the Ministry of Finance, has refused to pay that money into our Ghana Education Service Occupational Pension Scheme. And what that means is that for the past 9 months, educational workers have been denying investment income on their pension, which is very dangerous. When you take pension, it is the compounding interest that make it have value. The amount of money taken every month may not be that large, but over the period of time, the investment returns make it have value. Recently, Glyco, the administrator, on behalf of the Ghana Education Service Occupational Pensions, sent the statement, or let me say, the balance on everybody's statement via SMS to all the educational workers.
Right.
And they came attacking us because the value they are seeing isn't what they are expecting to see. And we have to go and tell them that for 9 good months, government has failed to pay the money. And this money we are talking about is about 433 million Ghana cedis. If by the end of February, the payment is not done, in March, we are going to suspend the payment of NPR. They are 0.33. We are going to suspend. They can't take us out of the system. They don't even have the right to do so. Where are they taking us to? We are even being lenient. The money has not been paid. People are suffering.
Eto musika no kura kwa me ahensika no ayesan na asobosumi bia nka kra mo ti ato ase wo mo kwakura bom mo kwa homegie mu a na chese wo mo atimi da twetwaje wo mo hom aban wo de wonsa kwakan ya twetwe nkade ne wo mpesa wo diska ne ba enom se wo tomatum every sabre ya nkopem afefufura ye besi mu no ne match wo ba ne mbosome no sa aban no afasika no amade a wo no bete aban no so enta sukoko